Now let's start the class. Is the screen visible? Audio is clear? Good morning, Ajay Dahiya. Okay, let's see the question. We have started the topic. Particle A is at rest and particle B is moving with constant velocity v. I'm just recalling the topic, that is the velocity of approach and velocity of separation. आपने कभी कभी सुना होगा कि अर्थ के पास से एक उल्का पिंड गुजर गया, कितनी पास से गुजरा, कितनी वेलोसिटी से गुजरा, मतलब कोई चीज आपकी तरफ आ रहा है रेंडमली, तो आपसे टकराएगा या आपके पास से गुजर जाएगा, कितनी पास से गुजरेगा, उस समय उसकी वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी जिस समय वो क्लोजेस्ट अप्रोच पे होगा. These things we are going to discuss in this topic. The topic is velocity of approach and velocity of separation, both. A particle A, I'm just taking one case to understand the topic in better way. Particle A is at rest. See, you can see in the diagram, particle A is at rest and particle B is moving with constant velocity v as shown in the figure. At t equal to 0 means at initially it was in this condition. Find their velocity of separation at this instant. Okay, find the velocity of separation at this instant. Ajay, are you here? Ajay, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
You have shared a problem. हम उसका डिस्कशन अभी कुछ देर बाद करेंगे, क्योंकि मैंने ये क्वेश्चन शुरू कर दिया, तो जस्ट वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, देन आई विल कम टू योर प्रॉब्लम. ओके
Okay, sir.
Good. See, this is the velocity of B and this is the A is at rest. How can we find the velocity of approach and separation? आपको करना क्या है? Just we have to join the line of two bodies for which we have to compare the velocity of approach and velocity of separation. Okay. Here, the line is already drawn. This is the dotted line and B is moving in this direction. Okay. Now see, simply you have to find the velocity along the line. Listen carefully. Velocity along the line joining two bodies. I'm just drawing the line. See, this is the line joining A and B. This one. And the another is velocity perpendicular to the line joining A and B. मैंने क्या कहा, सबके समझ में आया? सपोज कीजिए आपके पास दो बॉडी है. लेट्स से दिस इज बॉडी A and here the body B. आपको करना क्या है? Just you have to draw a line joining A and B. A और B को ज्वाइन करने वाला लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. This is A and this is B. A and B. First of all, you must have to draw a line joining A and B. Then, suppose B is moving in this direction, like this. You have to resolve the component. You have to resolve, listen carefully, you have to resolve the component along the line joining A and B and perpendicular to the line joining A and B, not along the axis. I'm repeating, you have to resolve the component along the line joining A and B and perpendicular to the line joining A and B. So I'm doing the same thing here. V is the velocity in this direction, and line joining makes angle theta with the velocity v. So in this direction its component is v cos theta, and in this direction it is v sin theta. Is there any doubt? Just tell me, confirm me whether it is clear or not. Confirm me whether it is clear or not. जब तक बोलोगे नहीं हम बढ़ेंगे नहीं. Confirm me. Good. Then see, A is here and B is in this time, moving in this direction. It means B is moving away from A. And if something is moving away from A, it means that is the velocity of separation. So here, velocity of separation, velocity of separation is simply V cos theta, because A is in rest. Is it clear, bete?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See the next, same type of question, but now both the bodies are moving. Let's say this is body A and this is body B. What we have to do? Again, we have to do the same thing. A velocity along the line joining the points and velocity perpendicular to the line joining the points. Here, I'm going to join the line. Is there any echo in the sound?
Yes, sir.
Bearable है या unbearable है? ज्यादा डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है? चलो मैंने थोड़ा दूर और कर लिया. Two particles A and B are moving with constant velocity v1 and v2 at t equal to 0. v1 makes an angle theta 1 with the line joining A and B, and v2 makes an angle theta 2 with the line joining A and B. Find the velocity of approach. Listen carefully. We have drawn a line joining A and B, and again we have to draw the line perpendicular to the line joining A and B. लिसन केयरफुली. मैंने क्या कहा? दोनों पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने वाला लाइन ड्रॉ करना है, फिर उसके परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. ये दिस लाइन इज द लाइन ज्वाइनिंग ए एंड बी. दिस लाइन इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द लाइन ज्वाइनिंग ए एंड बी. तो मैंने परपेंडिकुलर भी ड्रॉ कर लिया और दोनों को ज्वाइन भी कर लिया. Now what to do? We have to break the components. Now see, component in this direction is v1. It is v1 cos theta 1. In this direction it is v1 sin theta 1. Here also it can be written as v2 cos theta 2, and here it is v2 sin theta 2. Any problem? Just tell me whether if there is any problem, just clear me. No problem. So here, see, this body is moving towards B. A is moving towards B with this velocity, and B is moving towards A with this velocity. Means both are moving towards each other with these velocities. It means if someone wants to find the velocity of approach, आप ध्यान रखिए, मैंने एक्सिस के अलोंग कंपोनेंट्स ब्रेक नहीं किया है. एक्स एक्सिस और वाई कंपोनेंट ब्रेक किया गया है लाइन ज्वाइनिंग द पॉइंट्स और द बॉडीज and perpendicular to the line joining the bodies. So here velocity of approach is equal to v1 cos theta 1 plus v2 cos theta 2. I hope it is clear. Is it clear? Confirm me, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
अभी कोई सुनना है मेरी बात? अब मुझे नाम से पूछना पड़ेगा लगता है। मैं इस क्वेश्चन की कॉन्सेप्ट को थोड़ा सा चेंज करता हूं क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई भी सिचुएशन हो सकता है। सपोज कीजिए कि अगर मेरे पास सिचुएशन ये है, आई एम जस्ट इरेजिंग दिस सिचुएशन। इस सिचुएशन को मुझे विश्वास है कि आप समझ गए होंगे। अगर इसी में मुझे ये कहा जाए कि सेकेंड बॉडी इज मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, लेट्स से द डायरेक्शन इज दिस, and B is moving in this direction. Let's see, this is the direction. This is V2 and this is theta 2. Now again we have to resolve the components only. Component in this direction is V2 cos theta 2, and here perpendicular to the line is V2 sin theta 2. Now see, both are moving in the same direction. So velocity of approach, listen carefully. Velocity of approach means what? A is moving faster or B is moving faster? जब हम वेलोसिटी ऑफ अप्रोच की बात करेंगे तो A को तेज मूव करना पड़ेगा या B को तेज मूव करना पड़ेगा? A को। लेकिन yes, good. The velocity of approach means A has to move, A has larger velocity or greater velocity than B, but in this direction, I'm not talking about the net velocity. I'm talking about the velocity in this direction, means V1 cos theta 1 must be greater than V2 cos theta 2. Then we can say they are approaching to each other. They are approaching. But if V1 cos theta 1 is less than V2 cos theta 2, मतलब मैं इसको थोड़ा और इजी करूंगा, आप पहले इसको लिख लीजिए। Then they are moving away. They are moving away from each other, जिसको आप कह सकते हो वेलोसिटी ऑफ सेपरेशन फ्रॉम ईच अदर। अब देखिए, इसको एक छोटी सी बात चीज से समझिए आप। हम एक छोटा सा सिचुएशन ले रहे हैं, इट बिकम्स मोर क्लियर। सपोज A and B are two bodies. A is moving in this direction, that is V1, and B is also moving in this direction, that is V2. Let's see if V1 is greater than V2, it means they are coming closer. Am I right? अगर पीछे वाली गाड़ी तेज चलेगी, आगे वाली गाड़ी स्लो चलेगी, तो क्या होगा? ये दोनों एक दूसरे के नजदीक आ जाएगा और after some time, after a certain interval of time, there is a कॉलिजन मींस पीछे वाली गाड़ी तेज चल रही है, आगे वाली गाड़ी स्लो चल रही है। द सेम सिचुएशन इज हियर, इसके बीच का डिस्टेंस घटता जाएगा। तो इट इज द